Alright, so we've done coins, we've done dice. Now let's look at a deck of cards. Again, you've seen this picture of the deck of cards before, but let's remind ourselves. When you look at a deck of cards, there's a total of 52 cards. We are not considering decks with jokers. A deck has two colors, which are red and black. There are 26 of each colors. A deck has four suits: spades, clubs, hearts, and diamonds. So there are 13 cards in each suit. That's written right there. You have an ace, 2 through 10, jack, queen, and a king. There are 3 face cards. These are the ones that have pictures of faces on them. It's the jack, queen, and king. So if there's 3 per suit and there's 4 suits, that would give us a total of 12 face cards. And like if I pick any card, like the number 5, how many 5s are there? There's 4 of any given number in the deck. There's a 5 of hearts, a 5 of spades, a 5 of clubs, and a 5 of diamonds. So get comfortable with a deck of cards, because I'm going to ask several questions about probabilities of cards on the test and throughout these sections. If you're not comfortable with these, you might want to write these down on your note card or your cheat sheet if you're given one. Let's look at example 7. It says, consider drawing one random card from a shuffled deck of standard cards. Determine the following probabilities. What's the probability of drawing a 4? Again, in drawing a 4, let's think about it. How many 4s are there? Well, there's the 4 of hearts, spades, clubs, and diamonds. So that was 4 of the 52 total cards in a deck. We always need to simplify this, so the probability of drawing a 4 is 1 out of 13. How about drawing an ace? Well, an ace is no different than a 4. There's still an ace of hearts, clubs, diamonds, and spades, so that's still 4 of the 52 total possible. Again, putting that into our calculator simplifies it to 1/13. What's the probability of drawing a red card? Red cards. Well, if you look, half of the deck of cards is red, or 26 of the 52 cards, which simplifies to 1/2 of the deck is red. What about drawing a heart? Drawing a heart. Each deck, or each suit, has 13 cards. 13 of the 52 is 1/4, which also makes sense because one of the 4 suits in the deck of card is hearts. What about drawing a face card? Again, remember, a face is a jack, a jack, queen, or a king. So there's 3 face cards per suit. There's 4 suits, so that was a total of 12 face cards out of the 52 card deck, which also makes sense because it's 3 of the 13 cards in each suit. Jack, queen, and king of the 13 cards in each suit. How about drawing a card with an even number on it? Well, let's think about that. What even numbers do we have? We have 2s, 4s, 6s, 8s, and 10s. Then you have jack, queen, kings. Those aren't evens. Aces aren't evens. Neither are the odd numbers. So it seems like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different suits that are even numbers. Remember, each one of those has 4 suits. So if you do 5 times 4, that would be 20 total of the 20 total cards that are even. So the probability of getting an even number would be 20 over the 52 cards, which simplifies to 5/13. Again, we could make sense of 5/13 because 5 of the 13 numbers in a suit are even, or 5 of the 13 cards in a suit are even.